Good morning and welcome to The Daily. I'm Salim Kanat. Wall Street edged higher overnight, closing at new record levels driven by a series of strong earnings results that sent several stocks sharply higher. Among the standouts, database platform MongoDB skyrocketed 31% after crushing analyst expectations. Retailer Kohl's delivered a surprising profit and upgraded its outlook, sending its shares up 20%. Meanwhile, Royal Bank of Canada climbed 6.4% on a solid earnings beat. After the bell, it was cloud computing group Snowflake, making headlines with an upbeat guidance that pushed the stock up 13% in after-hours trading. That followed a similar pattern in Australia yesterday, where the local market posted modest gains, but several individual stocks moved sharply on earnings news. We saw Tabcorp jump 24% after swinging back to profit. Sigma Healthcare rallied nearly 8% on strong post-merger sales, and Nine Entertainment rising almost 8% thanks to a special dividend and solid results from its media division. Of note, Kohl's continued its winning streak for the week, in contrast to rival Woolworths, which reported a flat result that sent its stock down 15%, its steepest decline in decades. Logistics tech firm WiseTech also disappointed, dropping 12% following a weak outlook, while Domino's Pizza plunged 22% after posting its first loss since listing. Now, the market awaits US inflation data out tomorrow night, which could be pivotal for the Fed to decide on a September rate cut. But now, let's focus on Nvidia, which was the result most eagerly anticipated this earnings season. Semiconductor giant reported this morning after the US market closed, posting a 56% jump in revenue compared to a year ago. While the results beat estimates, the company's forecast merely met expectations, not the blowout some investors were hoping for. And that was enough to send the stock tumbling more than 5% immediately. It's quickly recovered, but remains at about 3% down post-market. Nvidia results and the reaction is a reminder of the market's high bar right now. Even great isn't always good enough. It means US markets could be under pressure tomorrow, with Nvidia's after-hour drop likely to weigh on both the Nasdaq and S&P 500, given its significant market cap. Now let's get to our watch list for today. And as we continue to drive through Australian companies' earnings reporting, we're seeing some interesting results. Qantas came out this morning with a new record pre-tax profit at $2.4 billion for the 24-25 financial year, and it outlined expectations for strong demand ahead. The stock is up 76% on a year ago, so we'll see how this result unfolds today. Results went the other way for Mineral Resources, with the iron ore and lithium miner reporting a $900 million loss, a big drop from last year. The company is far from its 2023 high and remains slightly down from where it was a year ago. That's partly due to what has been a poor outlook for the lithium market. But not all lithium-focused companies are equal. In the US, Albemarle led gains on the S&P 500 last night, up 7.5%. The stock has rebounded from its April low, but remains well down from its 2022 high. It's the world's largest lithium producer and has suffered from an oversupplied market recently. That narrative could be changed with UBS upgrading the stock last night in line with increasing expectations of improved outlook for the lithium market. Well, that's all from The Daily. I'm Salim Kanat, and we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.